Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I hope that you're having a great weekend. I will be talking about a penny stock today. Last week was a very rough week in the stock market, so I think I would find a nice stock potential. It's a penny stock that could have some very nice growth potential into the future, and I think you should consider putting it on your watch list. Today we are going to be talking about Billy Goat Brands. The US ticker, it's an OTC penny stock, is BGTTF. It's also traded on the Canadian Stock Exchange as GOAT. And this company does have some very nice futures ahead of itself. And one of the biggest things I like about it, it is good for the environment. It's good for the future, but most importantly, it is starting to look at the different foods that people are starting to eat. As you know, people are more and more health conscious. They are starting to look to eat better foods. We've seen this with a lot of companies just coming out most recently that are starting to produce plant-based foods. We are starting to see these stocks doing very well, such as Beyond Meat. We also see Tattooed Chef. Well, this is a penny stock that I will be talking about today that has a great potential because it invests in these types of companies and more. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. And down below, I have wonderful promotions for you to get some free stocks. Incredible opportunities. Now, without further ado, let's talk about Billy Goat Brands. So I have been researching this company for quite some time now, and I do think it has a very nice potential because it gives you a lot of diversification. And this company actually diversifies in plant-based foods. It also looks at nutritional foods, nutraceuticals, and in addition to this, safe packaging. So it is very ocean safe, very health conscious, and very good for the environment. And I did just want to talk about this, and let me just show you this stock right here. This is the company. It is Billy Goat Brands, and their motto is to invest in the next generation of food. However, what this company does, it's very smart, very strategic, but it does build a premium investment portfolio, and it looks for fast growing brands. So what it does is it identifies the industry leading companies that are working to help with the environment and also help to produce good nutritional foods that are plant-based. What it does then is that it incubates and invests in these companies to watch it grow, and then allows other people to invest in this company through this stock, through this company, through this stock that you would have not been able to get. So they do focus on companies that are not traded on the stock market. And I did just want to point some of these companies out. So not only does the Billy Goat Brands focus on plant-based foods and things that are health for our body, they also are looking to improve the environment. They have partnered up with, and they are in the company Evanesce. This is a company in the United States that is based in South Carolina, in Nevada, and they are making green packaging of containers that to try to get away from those plastics that are very bad and toxic for the environment and for the oceans. Now, Evanesce is this company that I did just want to show you here. They are making sustainable packaging. They do use the state-of-the-art using molded starches products to make alternative single-use plastic products that do harm to our oceans. They are using a lot of these materials to make straws, decomposable cups, anything from cups, bowls, plastic trays, you name it. They are doing a great job by making this possible for the environment. So very good environmental conscious company, but this is going to have a continuous growth in the near future, as I do think that millennials and the younger generation is looking at things that are better for the future, and this is a great investment to get into that. In addition, they do focus on plant-based foods. I did just want to show you another company that they are invested in, which is Sophies Kitchen. This is a plant-based seafood company. They are bringing the plant-based seafood to the masses, and they have been featured on Nosh, Goop, Spy, and also Nutraceutical World. So as you can see, this is an incredible growth company because this is only the beginning. We are young, we are wanting to eat healthy, and this does give us a very nice alternative to meat products. So this is again a plant-based seafood that is growing. It's tasty as fish is their motto, and they are making very nice foods. And we have seen that the global demand of seafood has increased and is projected to increase throughout the year into the year 2030 by about 30%. They are also seeing a 3-year plant-based meat that has increased, especially has gone up in the past few years, up 45%. So you can see this is definitely growing as a company with the total dollars have been spent on plant-based foods keeps increasing as people want to eat healthier and healthier. As you can see, the plant-based meats versus animal-based meats are now outdoing almost 2-to-1 for animal-based meats. So we are starting to look into the future. We are wanting to eat healthier and we are wanting to eat plant-based. It's a lot healthier for our bodies and it's a lot healthier also for the environment. So the growth of plant-based foods continues to increase and will do so into the near future. As I have said, by the year 2030, it should increase by 30%. This does give us a very nice opportunity to get into a stock that's a penny stock. It's trading on the pennies right now, and it has potential, huge upside potential. So as you can see, Billy Goat Brands is not just in the green products and green packaging. Not only are they in plant-based seafoods, they are also into the beverage business. They have just acquisitioned and they are part of the company with fungi beverages that are making coffee drinks that are actually infused with mushrooms. They are infusing it with natural products to be good for the digestive system, to be good for the body. And as you know, that we are getting in more health conscious. So this is great for this company. And again, for this stock, let me just show you that this cold beverage, it's an enhanced cold coffee brew that is made from high quality coffee beans from Colombia. It's 100% pured, but it does contain lion's mane mushroom infusion that is known to be good for the body. It's also known to be a natural medicine to promote good gut health and decrease inflammation. It's supposed to boost the immune system. So again, this is a very big industry, very big company. As you can see, here is the illustration of the coffee that they are selling. Now, just transitioning, I did want to show you how this stock is doing. It is a incredible price right now. Again, it is a penny stock. Right now, it is selling 5 cents on the US dollar. Again, this company is a Billy Goat Brands. The ticker, it is an over-the-counter stock. It is BGTTF on the Canadian Stock Exchange. It is as GOAT, as GOAT. But this stock, again, super cheap right now, only 5 cents. But look at the past 1 month. It has actually been down by about 16%, but it has huge potential. By that, let me zoom out and show you. At one point in time in November, if you remember, November to December was actually a pretty good time to get into stocks. The stocks were high. It was actually selling at 75 cents. Can you imagine getting this right now at 5 cents? I do think it has a great potential to go up again to 75 cents. That would be an amazing upside potential of more than hundreds of thousands of percent. So again, take a look at this stock. Put it on your watch list. I do think it has very nice potential. It is a small cap company. It's only about a $14 to $15 million company. Very small cap, micro cap company. So it does have a lot of volatility. Always do your own due diligence. Always do your own research on this stock. But I did think I would find a penny stock for you that is, number one, good for the environment. Number two, it is good and safe for humans, and it does have a nice growth potential. At being 5 cents, there's not much lower we can go on this stock, but you saw the potential there. Up, it could be up potentially to 75 cents. Incredible upside potential on this stock that I think you should consider putting it on your watch list, but always do your own due diligence, always do your own research before purchasing this or any other stock. But I hope that you like this stock. Let me know down below what you think about it. I think it is a potentially a great stock to get into, especially since they are looking at the environment socially and governmentally found solid valued stock. So I think it has a great potential. But thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. And down below, I have those great promotions so you can get some free stocks. But again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you have a great rest of the weekend. And I hope that you have a great week. I hope that we see some green and some recovery in the stock market. But thank you again for watching, for supporting the channel. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.